Hi everyone! Today we are going to see some general knowledge questions. So let's get started. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Answer: camel. How many days are there in a week? Answer: 7 days. How many hours are there in a day? Answer: 24 hours. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? Answer: 26 letters. Rainbow consists of how many colors? Answer: 7 colors. How many days are there in a year? Answer: 365 days, not a leap year. How many minutes are there in an hour? Answer: 60 minutes. How many seconds are there in a minute? Answer: 60 seconds. How many seconds make 1 hour? Answer: 3600 seconds. Baby frog is known as what? Answer: tadpole. If you like my video, please like, subscribe to my channel for more videos, share it. Thank you. Hi everyone. Today we are going to see general knowledge questions. Who was the first president of the United States? Answer: George Washington. In which year did the Titanic sink? Answer: 1912. Who wrote the Declaration of Independence Day? Answer: Thomas Jefferson. What was the name of the first man made satellite to orbit the Earth? Answer: Sputnik. Which war ended with the Treaty of Versailles in 1919? Answer: World War I. Who was known as the Maid of Orleans? Answer: Joan of Arc. What Asian civilization built the Machu Picchu complex in Peru? Answer: the Incas. Who discovered penicillin? Answer: Alexander Fleming. The Great Wall of China was primarily built by which dynasty? Answer: the Ming dynasty. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize in 1903? Answer: Marie Curie. What year did the Berlin Wall fall? Answer: 1989. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? Answer: France. Who was the Egyptian queen who had a relationship with the Roman general Julius Caesar and Mark Antony? Answer: Cleopatra. When did the Roman Empire fall? Answer: 476 AD. Who was the first emperor of China? Answer: King Shi Huang. What year did the United States declare Independence Day? Answer: 1776. In which country did the Industrial Revolution begin? Answer: Great Britain. Who was the leader of Nazi Party? Answer: Adolf Hitler. Which famous leader was assassinated by his friend Brutus? Answer: Julius Caesar. Who was the first human to journey into space? Answer: Yuri Gagarin. I hope you liked the video. For more videos, please like and subscribe. Hi everyone. Today we are going to see general knowledge questions and answers. How many consonants are there in the English alphabet? Answer: 21 consonants. How many vowels are there in the English alphabet and name them? Answer: 5 vowels, namely A, E, I, O, and U. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Answer: the lion is known as the king of the jungle. Name the national bird of India. Answer the peacock. Name the national animal of India. Answer tiger. What is the national anthem of India? Answer the national anthem of India is Jana Gana Mana. Name the national flower of India. Answer lotus flower. Name the national fruit of India. Answer mango. What is the national song of India? Answer Vande Mataram. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.